Well, it looked like a great time to get out of Florida to me. Yep, as we headed north out of Orlando, we knew that we'd made the right choice to evacuate. I mean, we passed convoy after convoy, and Hurricane Dorian was headed straight for Florida. At least that's what they thought at the time. Yeah, as we headed north, convoy after convoy of utility truck headed south. Some were familiar, like Pike, and others were for companies I've never seen out of Indiana. There were also plenty of tree trimmer convoys on the way down, too. I guess they knew what the roads were going to be like. There was also tractor trailer load after tractor trailer load of generators. And it looked like they were planning to be there for a while, because there were barracks trucks pulled by every kind of pickup truck you could ever imagine. Even the old folks were headed up to Tennessee to get away from the storm. And as the signs clicked down the miles past, I knew we were getting closer. And there it was in the distance. South of the border. South of the border is one of the most magical places on earth, and you can find everything that you'd ever want in one place. Literally. And it all says south of the border. Yep, south of the border is a magical place that we always stop at with the kids. They have their own fire department with 2 trucks, one of which you can usually get to. Another one maybe not so much. Gene, we don't seem to be stopping. We're going right into North Carolina. And I guess that was our plan all the time as we headed straight to Wilmington. Only to find out that the hurricane tracks now took it straight towards Wilmington and not Florida anymore. So it looks like we didn't quite go far enough by going into North Carolina. And on Monday, UNCW announced that they would be canceling classes because of the hurricane. So, go UNC Seahawks. Go home. So it looks like we'll be back on the road again and trying to figure out a safe place to go from the storm. North or south? We'll figure it out. Well, Emmy's got something else on her mind right now, but she'll get back to checking your likes and comments. I try to put out new videos each Friday, and I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll choose to give it a big thumbs up. There's every possibility that I could make the storm turn again and won't hit landfall at all. And if you find you really enjoy this kind of video, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And when you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.